screen to pop and show anything. No screen, just trying to pry this open.
Ooh.
So to take the trim off or that last piece, I need to get a torque screwed in. Just the star shape one. I need a size 20, but I'm trying to debate, am I gonna grab this whole set with a whole bunch of stuff, or am I gonna grab this? Which one would y'all pick? I'm probably gonna go with this. But then again, I'm like, this gives me more functionality because then I can use this for multiple things for in the crib. I'm not sure. Decisions. Back into the car. These two screws are what I gotta get out. A size 20 here, a size 20 here. So I went and got this. Should be everything that I need. So we just removed the monitor. This is the crazy thing. So like, this literally is just a monitor. The radio is down here, like the stereo system thing and all that. It's all down here. So this is it's just like a computer or a desktop being plugged into a monitor, and then BMW will charge you like $3K just to replace this. They're gonna replace everything. When all you gotta do is just replace just your monitor. Empty screen, or naked screen, actually. Just took the bezel off of the screen, and now we're about to separate this. That there, don't lose your screws, and then we're just going to, bam, screen. So, if y'all remember when we did the charger, all you're gonna do is transfer this ribbon and this ribbon over to a new screen. So we would just pop these flaps, pop, pop, and then take this whole thing and pretty much just transfer it over to the new screen, which I'm about to show you the new screen. New screen. It looked like a, I don't know, like it's a golden ticket in here or something. They taped this up. Oh my gosh, so much tape. Look at that. New screen, old screen. And it's so crazy because BMW will say this is a BMW part made in Germany, but when you take this off, you'll find that the original screen is made where? In China. Do that ribbon. Pull these two tabs back. Just a tab. And lift. Bam. I'm gonna just sit this right here, because we still gotta pull this one off. So we lift this tab. Be careful, don't want to damage this ribbon. And this, the other ribbon is already right here, just taped. So we're just gonna untape this and then connect it to this. Tuck it, hold on. I'm trying to get it right under there. So let me actually do it this way. This might be a little easier. So I'm gonna put that in, catch this ribbon, get it under, get it snug in there, lock it in. Same thing with this. Pop this up. That's to go under. Gotta get it under this metal drum. There we go. Snug in there, locked in. Close it. It's just a car. Alright, put that in. Now we gotta lock it in place with that one handy dandy screw. Bam, bam, bam. Put it in like that. Make sure the hooks is locked in. Bam. And it should kind of just snap into place. Let's make sure none of the tabs is being bent back. Bam. New screen is in the bezel. Now, I'm going to fully reassemble. Alright, it's in there. This went in this way, so you gotta watch them cords, make sure they're good, but tuck it like this. My left side is a little off. Bam. Now we go grab these. Alright. So what I could do is I could just test it out now before I close everything. So let's just try that. And voila. I'm just going to check out a couple functions before I fully put everything back. We already know about that. Was this supposed to be touchscreen? I don't remember. Is it touchscreen?
Yeah.
It is? It isn't?
Yeah.
Oh,
my thing was never touchscreen.
Wow. I thought all right, so that's on me. But let me see. This is menu, radio, aux. I'm saying. Let's see, navigation screen, make sure that's working. I mean, we don't necessarily use this, but you know. Yeah, it seems like it's working, but I'm gonna go ahead and put all this together, you know what I'm saying, and make sure that we can adjust some of the settings or some of the problems that have been happening without having a screen. So yeah, let me hop on that and then I'll get back to you. She don't text. Satisfied with your fix? Are you satisfied?
I am.
You know what I'm saying?
10 out of 10.
Alright, 10 out of 10. Job well done.
Small talk at parties is hard.
Hey, so what's